Fine. Here comes an improvised tool which would help us in tightening or loosening large size bolts or PVC threaded end caps of 4-inch or 5-inch, 6 or even up to 9-inch. So here what I have did, I've chosen an aluminium channel which I could secure from a recycling shop or what you call a scrap dealer, and then you have GI threaded rods available from hardware stores, and then I have taken some bush from my local automobile mechanic, free of cost of course, and then I have made some wooden reapers as well. See, using this bush and these reapers would help in distributing the load, so that when we use this spanner or wrench, whatever you call it, would be of more strong, and we'll be able to use it even for steel nuts and bolts. But I would suggest that if you are going for steel nut and bolt, then you can think of going in for GI or MS channel or angle, because or even a square tube. And the system is very simple. I have bought these threaded rods, and then I have cut them to sizes. I am adding these washers so that, as I told you, it would help in improving its strength. You can add a bush. Well, since fixing this would take time, I have thought I'll fix it and then show it to you. Well, the tool is almost ready, and this is the width of the bolt which we would be, bolt or nut, which we would be using to tighten or loosen. And the length of this can be adjusted by this adjustments, and accordingly we can place it on the nut or bolt depending on the size, whether it is 4-inch or 5-inch or 6-inch. In fact, I have made it for a 6-inch PVC end cap so that I can handle it easily, which mainly for the rainwater harvesting filter I have made. So this width can be reduced or increased, and the maximum we can go up to 10-inch in that. And actual usage, I think I'll be able to show you in a short while. Here this I have gone for a bush, but instead I can go in for this wooden reaper which I have prepared, so that the strength of the entire tool gets improved. And here there is a check nut to ensure that this portion stays grip. Okay, and this is quite strong for any PVC or plastic, or even for brass and lightweight nuts and bolts. And if it is for mild steel or GA bolts and nuts, then I would prefer that you go for a GA or a mild steel angle or channel, or even a square tube. So let's see how it's gonna work. Well, as suggested earlier, I have replaced the bush with a wooden reaper, and one side is fastened with check nuts so that this remains the same. And depending upon the requirements of the size, we can adjust these nuts and reduce the size of the spanner. In case of if you are going in for a GA or MS angle, I would suggest that you go for stainless steel threaded rods, which are available ready-made, and also the SS nuts, so that the capacity to withhold is more, it is increased. So now I am going to try it out on the 4-inch and 6-inch threaded end caps. Let me see how it works. Well, let me try it out on a 4-inch end cap. I have adjusted it to an extent where it can be fitted. Ensure all the 4 nuts are tightened. If required, you can resort to tightening with the help of the spanner also. Now let me try. Yeah. Well, it works. And for tightening also, you can use it. Well, I have fixed it on a 6-inch threaded end cap. I have used this, and I'm going to use adequate strength for opening the door. Yeah, got it. Once for the initial opening is done, then we can use our hand for loosening. Likewise, for tightening also, this tool can be used. Hope you liked it, and if you feel or if you deem fit, you can share it with your friends and for their consideration, and you can subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you very much.